In today's training, I'm going to be walking you through a new feature that's going to become available in our global offering at the end of July 2026. This offering is going to be the ability to model payroll taxes. This is going to be especially useful when a client's employment income is subject to mandatory payroll-based deductions that are not already captured through standard income tax. Some examples of this would be social insurance contributions, payroll-specific withholdings, or any jurisdiction-specific payroll levies. I'm going to go to my plus button and we're going to select income. You're going to see this specifically in the employment income option, and you're going to see now an option to enter in a percentage for payroll taxes. So let's go ahead and enter in Martha's employment income. And then we're going to enter in a percentage to model her payroll taxes. So I'm going to use 8%. When you add a value into the percentage field, you'll also be given an option to toggle on payroll taxes being deductible. And if you choose to do this, this will reduce Martha's taxable income via this percentage rate. I'm going to click done to save this, and we're going to go into our year view to take a look at what this is doing to Martha's plan. First, just to point out, on the expenses tab, you'll see Martha's payroll tax listed as a line item, and you'll be able to confirm the value of that expense. And then we're going to go to taxes, and we're going to scroll down past the tax summary into Martha and Peter's tax breakdown. A couple of places you're going to see this is going to be under income relief. If you open this up, you'll be able to see Martha's employment payroll taxes as a line item under income relief. You'll also see it under additional taxes, Martha's employment taxes. So you'll see that there, and then you will see a line item that states the taxes that have already been deducted in that year. Martha's employment, the $120,000, and you'll see how that deduction up here from the income relief is going to reduce her taxable income, and that's because we stated that we wanted this to be tax deductible. I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions or you need any assistance modeling payroll tax deductions, you can always click the name of your client in the top right, request support, enter your question into the text box, and share client access. Thanks for listening.